How to change language in Ring app. Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to teach you how you can do it. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, when we head over to Ring app, and then once you open it up, log in into your account. If you are wanting to change your language, when we head over to the menu at the top and then go over to account settings, you can see we do not have the option of changing the language. So in order to change the language, you can directly change the language of your device's operating system, so that when you change the language, it will directly display it on the Ring application as well. So head over to one of your settings, your device's main settings, and then from here you may scroll down and look for language option. For example, it is under general management. Just go ahead and tap on it. After you open it up, we have this option of language. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then once you do, we can go ahead and tap on add language, so that you can add another language onto your device. For example, this one right here. So once you select your language like this, you can set it as default and your language should be changed like this. Now what you can do is, when you head over to your Ring application, you should be finding the language being changed if you have set it as default on your device. And that's it. This is how you basically change your language on Ring app. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.